Wow! Actually, about 26 orders. Okay. Anna's TV. Over here.
Hi.
Pretend this is a vlog in your house.
Hi everyone, so today I'm in IKEA. I think I've walked in here. I think it's been like 10 years.
Oh, and this is her new room.
I have two rooms. I have this room, and I have this one.
Is this a house tour now?
I have a kitchen.
Wow.
I can play.
Explain what's your desk about?
I have books. It's called Shellfish Books.
Why shellfish?
Jewel Cook Book. And then I don't even know what this is, but I have this. I have some cool fake things. Some fake chargers, you know?
Oh, what are those stickers right there?
Legos.
And why'd you put that there? Oh, there's Legos over there.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even know I had Legos there. Okay, good. This is Maggie.
See you guys after 5 years.
Vegetarian meatball. I'm gonna take one.
Oh yeah.
Nó cầu bao nhiêu rồi mấy như như phát cao
No.